data structures in C. During this lecture, we will be going through MCQs on linked list. So let us solve some of those linked list problems. So simple ones are there. A linear collection of data elements where the linear node is given by means of pointer is called what? Of course, you know it has to be a linked list. Linked lists are not suitable to do for the implementation of what? Insertion sort, radix sort, polynomial manipulation, binary search. So which one? Not suitable. So it is for binary search. For binary search, array is the best one. Whereas insertion sort, radix sort, polynomial manipulation, addition, subtraction, multiplication could be done very easily using a linked list. Which of these following is an application of linked list to implement file system for separate chaining in hash tables, to implement non-binary trees, all of the above mentioned. Okay, it is all of the above mentioned. In other words, you come to know therefore three more applications of linked list. In a circular linked list, insertion of node requires modification of one pointer, two pointers, three pointers, or none of these. You know, linked list we have to always manipulate pointers. So we are here. It is going to be two pointers. That is node next and node earlier pointers have to be manipulated. So previous next becomes node next becomes current. In a linked list, each node contains minimum of two fields. One field is data field to store the data, maybe number or maybe character array. And second field is for what? Naturally, is it for pointer to character, pointer to integer, pointer to node, or just a node? You know it is a pointer, but it has to be a pointer to the node because each node is linked with the other node. A variant of linked list in which list node of the list points to the first node of the list is called what? Singly linked, doubly linked, circular linked list, and multiply linked list. Here, is a variant of linked list. The last node of the list points to the first node. Naturally, it is a circular linked list. As I say, you've got front is there and you come to the rear. Rear is linked to the front. Consider the following definition. C program language. We have created a new data called node and node star pointer. There are statements here for allocating memory. Which is the correct one? Node pointer malloc size of node pointer malloc node pointer size, malloc size of node pointer, node malloc size of node pointer. Which is the correct one? So naturally A is the correct one. Please note always first part is node pointer. So you have new data type and pointer. And malloc size of node, there is no pointer here. Please note that. In a doubly linked lists, traversal can be performed only for in the forward direction or reverse direction or in both direction. Of course, it's a doubly linked list. Naturally, it has to be in both direction. You can go forward and you can go backwards. A variant of the linked list in which none of the node contains null pointer is, usually linked list, the last node is points to null or it is grounded. But is there a variation of linked list where the last node is not null? Yes, you know already it is a circular linked list because the rear usually is grounded, becomes null, but here rear points to the front, therefore there is no null pointer. In circular linked list, insertion of node requires modification of how many pointers? One pointer, two pointer, or three pointers? Again, it is two pointers. A linear collection of data element given by mean of pointer is called. A linear collection of data element given by mean of pointer is called linked list. Each node contains minimum two fields, one field called data fields to store data, another field is the type of, you already know, it is a pointer to node, we have gone through similar question. What are the disadvantages of arrays? Data structures like queue and stack cannot be implemented, which is not true. There are chances of wastage of memory of space if elements inserted in an array are lesser than allocated size. Index value of an array can be negative. Elements are sequentially accessed. So B is the disadvantage because you may statically allocate memory for an array, but you may be using only two or three locations, where it is not so in the case of linked list. We get only so many nodes as the data item. Consider the following list representation. Star node is data, next year start is equal to null. So structure node new star new node is the pointer. So how do I allocate memory to new node? As it is given here, which one do you select? Structure star, structure node star, structure node star, etc. So naturally it is going to be C because it is correct. Structure node, of course you could have created a new node here, saying giving a tag, etc. So here therefore it has to be structure node new star malloc size of structure node. Now consider the following linked list and the following list of representations. Here you have got here the linked list is there, and you have got answers here for this. What will be the value following the statement start next data? So it has to be start next data. So it is going to be 25. So star next, then next, third next data. This is 25. A collection of homogeneous element is known as, of course you know it should be an array, homogeneous element, only integer, whereas here you could have different kinds of data in a linked list. It need not be homogeneous. Which linked lists do not have ends? So naturally you know that circular linked lists don't have ends. Doubly linked list is also called a list to two-way linked list, skipped list, none, etc. This is a B, two-way links, because you have got linked forward, linked backward. A linear collection of data elements where the linear node is given by means of pointer is called, of course you know that, it's a linked list. Representation of data structure in memory is known as, representation of data structure is known as what? Storage structure, file structure, abstract data type, none of the above. So that is C, abstract data type, or ADT, abstract data type. Which data structure allows deleting data elements front and inserting at the rear? Gone through that, you know already. It is nothing but queues. Queues first in, first out. So it is always taken from the front, and addition is taken at the rear. Which data structure is used in breadth first search of a graph to hold nodes? Array, tree, stack, queue. It is DQ. Is, remember this, for breadth first search of a graph you use queue. Identify the data structure which allows deletion of both at both ends of the list, but insertion at only one end. Is it stack? Is it priority queue? Output restricted queue or input restricted queue? So insertion at only one end. So it is input restricted DQ. Which of the following data structure is non-linear? Graph, stack, list, none of these. Naturally, graph is a non-linear data structure. A data structure where elements can be added or removed at either end but not in the middle is called stack, queue, DQ, linked list. Of course, it is CDQ. We just now came across input restricted DQ. This is DQ. It is allowed to insert at either end. Thank you.